Yun! Good morning, good morning! Ride time! Sirakugin Farm. Sama ko si Reggie, Kalati, Cercis, Darrell, Leandro, habo lang. Kasi nasala mo pa. Nasala mo pa sa Leandro eh. Kaya mauna lang tayo.
Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, wake up.
Ah guys,
Today's gonna be a good day. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal, you control, and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, yo. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts and poison they ride. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. I'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. So I'm faking till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. So flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gon' rise the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Survive, ahon, guys. Survive yun, tatlong kwan doon. Tunnel. Kaya ito, Hatabarab Dam na to. Kalawa, tama. Dito, Hatabara. Nandyan yung famous na bridge din. Hatabara. Yan yung subok o bricol. Sabi mo masarap mag-bike, no? Dari J. Ano? Sarap mag-bike, oh. Hindi lang malakas. Ano? Busy ka ako, no? Shortcut.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no...
Guys, nandito na kami sa Sirakugin Farm. Kakarating lang namin. Yan o. Eh, yung kuha nila, event. Ang date. Iba-iba. Ito ngayon.
Ito yung nakita mo kanina. Ito. Yung nandun sa may baba.
Okay. Tapos ito ngayon. Ito ngayon. Ito ngayon. Yan yung mga bulaklak sa loob dyan. Tapos ito yung susunod. Tapos yung sunod.
May date.
May date siya. Oo. Diba? Guys, kukuha na kami ng ticket. Saan tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4. 500 meron?
Hanggang bungod ka lang daw.
Bungad lang? Eh, 500 daw.
Papasok tayo sa loob. Bata. Buwan ka vlog.
Parang ticket. Ticket. 1,000. Arigato. Yun yung aming ticket. Yun, no? Ito. Guys, oh, super ganda. Nandito ako sa loob ng Sierra Coogan Farm. What the nice view, guys. Yung tropa, oh. Busy.
Picturean mo ako. Hindi mo naman kasama yung video. Ayang ano eh. Sayo mo
Nag-view deck din, oh.
ganyan o.
May beauty
Hindi mo na
visa, oh.
pagkumuha ko. Yan o. Dapat yun, nag-guard lang ka ng photographer para may bayan. Yun na lang, mayroong cover. Okay yung loop.
Oh? Diyan sa orange, oh.
Ba, magre-release pa lang orange.
Ayan, yung pula, oh. Gusto ko yung pula, oh. Walang pula. Entrance pala dito 1,000. 1,000 yan. Dito tayo. Dito. Ha? Yan, oh. Pula. Nandito na si Berilo. Oh. Gusto ko yung pula. Guys, nandito kami sa Raminan, dito sa loob ng Sierra Coogan Farm. Yan, oh, ramen with may konting karagi, kanin, legit, malate. Yan yung tatlo. Gutom eh. Gutom pa kaka-video picture doon eh. Sulit ang gala dito. Next week ulit.
Tanggal naman pagod.
Tanggal pagod sa magandang view. Yan o.
Bagay dyan.
Tap.
Meron ka pang stabilizer.
Hi guys, dahil kakakain lang, ito, gumala na naman sa ibang location. Ibang location naman to eh. Ice cream time. Strawberry, Mexu, milk. Ice cream, 400 yen.
Pwede ba halo?
Oh, pwede mix. May 300, 400. Next, strawberry, milk. Ice cream.
Sir, hindi bibili. Mix tatsu. Ah, yatsu onegai shimasu.
なんか
Yatsu.
4つミックス4つね1600円2000円でお預かりします
Ice cream, ice cream.
400円のお預かり
Sir, may suklet.
Ako.
こちらで
Ay, dito sa. Wala. Yun o, ice cream o. Uy, gato. Sarap. Max ice cream.
Pwede bang batyo ka ano? Pakapaan na.
Ice cream.
May sakura pa tayo dun sa ano, sa kabara eh.
Ice cream muna. Break time. Marami na video picture eh. Mag-ice cream muna oh.
Alam na nga Pinoy. Takot sa titingin eh. Likuda, tapos kaitin daw. Sabi. Di ba na mapindot?
Yan, yan, yan.
Useless yun. Nakalabas na, wala pa.
Yan oh.
Nakalandor tayo sa labas. Follow the leader.
Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Pasok. Yun. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Yan oh. Follow the leader oh. Pre, follow the leader.
Pasa mo sa likod. Dito may pabalik ulit. Pasa mo ulit sa likod. Pasa mo sa likod.
Ay guys, ito. Exit. Thank you. Thank you sa beautiful flowers.
Nakaano po. Nakakasunod.
Thank you, thank you. Ulit.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy.
Nagpahinga kami dito sa Hatabara, dito sa Sakura. Sila, malate oh. Dito sa Sakura. Sakura. Yan oh. Ganda ng Sakura dito sa Hatabara.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Laki, DJ, malaki. Madilim pala dito, no?
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the world
Food trip. McDo. Burger. Sprite. Yun o. Radio. Pagod sa radio. Pag 100 na yung kilometro eh, no? Oh, trip guys. Pag 100 na tayo. Totally prides. Kaya to. See you. Chantat na lang. Depende bukas kung saan. Salamat. Oro ma. Okay.